Hello, welcome back to a brand new video, guys. We are going to be doing some Lightroom editing today. We ran a poll on our Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see us edit the images for the E30, so we're going to take you guys through that now. It seems to be an interest for some people, which is quite nice, and we don't mind showing you guys the process. And if there's anything else you guys want to see, like how we edit our videos, what gear we use, you know, we'll be more than willing to show you guys that. We'd like to share that information if we can, because you know, if we can help anybody in the process, then why not, right? So yeah, I'm gonna walk you guys through that. But before we do, I just want to let you guys know that if you aren't subscribed, I mean, why not? You guys probably should subscribe. We've always got awesome content coming up, and hopefully we're gonna have some really dope stuff coming soon. We're still waiting for Drift City. It's taking a little bit of time, but obviously they have a lot of logistics to work through. But I'm sure when the time does come, it's going to be an awesome event, and we're going to make an absolute banger video. So for now, let's walk you guys through the Lightroom pictures. Alright, so we are going to be editing photos of this car today. So basically our process, at least normally, is mine. So the process is, I will start by first picking all the photos that I want to use, and I'll add them to the quick collection over here on Lightroom. If you guys didn't know, this is a section that you can obviously just add images, because obviously you don't want to see everything. Basically allows you to pick like your favorites from the set, if I could say that, and then basically work through them. So we're going to go through the images one by one and see what we like. I might fast track, speed this portion up, just because obviously not the most exciting, but we'll see. So we've got all of our photos. Head over to quick collection. How many pics we got? 33 pics. That's not too bad. Maybe we'll cut it down to 30. We do have a couple of doubles. That's just obviously from not knowing which ones we want to use. Maybe even less than that, because some of them are a bit dark. I won't lie to you, the shooting in the environment for this car was quite difficult. The exposure was intense. It was as bright as can be. The sun was just absolutely mooring it from the side, so it was a lot. But we'll make the most of it. I'm gonna keep this one just to see if we can play with this. I've got high hopes for it. That one can go. And that one can go. And this one's a maybe. So these are like triples. That can go. I'm probably going to try and redo the color of these. So this one was already initially done, but that was because we needed a thumbnail for the video. If you guys haven't checked out the video, link over here. The video is quite nice, so we want to I think we'll start with this. We'll take it from there. I'm basically planning on walking you guys through like one of the shots. The rest I'll just speed through the editing, because it's going to take a while to show you guys every single photo, but I'll do my best. I'll start off with a nice crop. Mask up the car. Perfect. I'm going to brighten this up. No, too much. 10 on the shadows, just that a little bit. I don't know if I want to adjust the color temperature of this guy too much. It does look really nice though. But that was -2, I think. Good old duplicate and invert. A little bit of clarity to the background. Get some sauce. Just gradual filter. Space it down. Accentuate the car a little bit more, you know. As for the sky, let's see. Maybe play with the sky a little bit. Don't think it would hurt to add a little bit of blue. That's pretty nice. However, I think maybe even just on this area as well would be pretty good. Quickly duplicate this mask and then we'll subtract. And with the brush. I want that clarity, I'm going to turn that clarity off. Yeah, that's a lot of splash. Let's just see if it looks decent. There we go.
I'll see you tomorrow, and then I'll message you throughout the day with most of the umbrella.
Alright. Just a little bit of color. pretty chuffed with that. That looks pretty decent. Not the sharpest of images, but that's just because the way it was putting focus. But that's alright. That looks perfect. Don't think we need to change anything. Yeah, I'm curious how different the color looks. I mean, they're not too far off. This is just definitely a bit more blue. Alright, so that's how it's, I think, what we're gonna go for. Commence the speed run for the rest.